When I was starting my career, companies didn't want to hire me. The vision kept deteriorating, and in fact, I turned totally blind when I was 15.
You got a few fellowships as well.
When I was doing my MSc, they had Abdul Kalam visiting, so they got me felicitated by him. RSA is one of the world's biggest security conferences. I was very lucky to get picked as one of the expert speakers. Audience in RSA is people who are policy and decision makers, like their CISOs and CTOs of some of the biggest organizations or government.
Oh my God, there's a lot of things that you are still doing it.
How do you manage all these things with a full-time job?
A combination of a lot of planning. If I'm not stressed, I'm not living. If you look at our currency notes, a blind person cannot tell a 100 rupee note from a 500 rupee note. There are also people who are highly motivated. There are countries who attack other countries. You see, like, I can be a blind person in the US and can be poor. Someone tells me that, oh, Aditi, you cannot do this, then I will 100% do it.
What are your thoughts on promoting inclusivity?
I feel like DNI today talks a lot about diversity and less about inclusion.
How do you think Microsoft support that inclusivity?
Definitely, I think like Microsoft is one of the most inclusive companies on the planet.
Inclusion is more important. People need to feel safe when they are around you.
I always say like I should feel comfortable to tell people that, hey, I cannot see.
How is this emerging AI will be a danger to cybersecurity?